Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to update labels. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Microsoft Planner, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Updating labels in Microsoft Planner allows you to better organize and categorize your tasks. So once you are logged into your account, I want you to click the left side panel of your dashboard and click the My Plans. This will bring you to the Planner Hub. And from here, just click the plan that you wanted to update. Click on it. Now, you want to make sure that you are using the grid view because that is the only way for you to be able to update the label. For example, right now here on the labels section, if the label is not yet named, click on the empty box right here, add a label. You can put in, so for example, red, green, and a lot more. But for example, you're working with multiple team members or with a client and there had been a changes on the status of the task. Say for example, from the progress from not started, it went in progress. So you might want to update the label, right, to indicate the changes and the status. You might want to go here. You can update the label by putting in a specific name, for example, update, and press enter. You see that you have now an updated label. Similarly, if you add another task here, for example, click that, and you might wanna, you see the bucket is under the how to update. Maybe let's, for example, let's click on the progress. The priority should be around important. This one is going to be client of urgent, and add another label. All right, you can click on update, or maybe if you want, we can get the green ones, edit that, and put in something like this. All right, click that and press enter. You see, that's basically how you update the labels here in Microsoft Planner. Now, you can always use labels consistently throughout the plan to ensure clarity and organization. I highly suggest to use the specific colors to recurring categories. For example, the red ones are for the important ones or the update, and green ones for completed ones, ensuring everyone in the team agrees on the label definitions for better collaboration. You can always use the filter option here to view tasks with the specific labels quickly right here. All right, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.